So, Josh, can you tell us a little bit about reductionism and the China study?
Sure. Uh, so one of the most interesting points that Dr. Campbell teaches is about the idea of reductionism. Um, and reductionism means that when we think of nutrition and what is good for the body, we think in terms of single components of the food that we eat. Um, Fat, vitamins. Um, and during his research, where he started identifying what foods are good for your health and why, certain components that are in the food, very um, aggressive entrepreneurs latched on to these different ingredients and isolated them, had laboratories create vitamins. And the thing is that when he was talking about these different nutrients, he was talking about how they exist naturally in the fruits and vegetables and grains and beans, um, and that there was a synergistic relationship that occurred. Synergy being that, meaning that they're working together, they're not isolated. And according to him, the human body has evolved so that it does it operates at its best. Its most efficient way of taking in nutrition is from plant-based foods.
Mm-hmm.
Now, uh, reductionism again is you're dealing with food like if you have more of vitamin C or more vitamin D, when you isolate these nutrients, the body turns out really doesn't do as well as if you have an orange that we know has a lot of vitamin C. Um, so it's really, as he puts it, it's more a symphony of nutrients that work together, not isolated instruments in an orchestra. Um, so when it comes to vitamins, um, our all our body, everybody's body is different. Our need for different amounts of nutrients is not the same. And when they make vitamins, they make them with specific amounts. There are different sizes, different milligram counts, and the thing is that our need for a certain nutrient at 1 hour during the day will change from what we ate during just before that. So a lot of times, if you take a vitamin, if it's too much, it actually works against our body.